Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Before you begin, confirm your PC runs Windows 11 version 21H2 or later. Confirm you have an infrared camera built in or connected. If you lack an IR camera, Windows Hello Face will not work. Next, sign into your account and create a PIN if you have not already done so. The PIN setup takes about 2 minutes and secures biometric settings. Finally, ensure good lighting and remove glasses or masks for accurate face capture. Open Settings from the Start menu and go to Accounts. Choose Sign-in options and locate Windows Hello Face in the list. Click the Setup button to launch the Face Enrollment wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts and position your face inside the circular guide. Slowly turn your head when prompted to capture multiple angles for accuracy. The process should complete in under 2 minutes when you follow the instructions closely. If enrollment fails, update your camera driver from Device Manager and run Windows Update. Try repositioning lighting and retry enrollment after restarting the PC. To reconfigure or remove the face profile, return to Sign-in options and choose Remove or Improve Recognition. Remember that biometric templates are stored locally in the TPM on the device. Your facial data is not uploaded to the cloud and remains under your control according to Windows security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.